Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm making green banana and cornmeal porridge. So over here guys, I've got the ingredients that I'm gonna use. I've got my coconut milk, I've got my green banana already blended, and I've got my cornmeal here with the water, and I've got some water in there because you need the water to keep the cornmeal moist. So you don't want to put it dry in the pot, but if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do so, but for me, no. All right guys, so we're gonna get started. So over here guys, I've got my pot on and I've got 2 cinnamon stick in there. As you can see the color guys. So yes, I put it on low heat. So now I'm gonna remove, you don't have to remove the stick, but they already boiled to turn the water brown. So I'm just gonna remove the stick guys. Once I remove that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my cornmeal in. And when you put the cornmeal in guys, you're gonna keep stir because cornmeal is something with easy get clumpy. And you don't want that. You don't want no clump in your porridge. So you gotta keep stir guys. Keep stir. And if you need liquid, you just add the coconut milk in. So I do not add the green banana in as yet because I want to keep stir so that and everything could get mixed and smooth before I added the green banana in there. Right, so guys, we're gonna keep stir and then I see you then when I show you the texture how you want it to look. You cannot cover the pot at this time. No, it's gonna clumpy. So now guys, I'm gonna put adding my green banana in. Yes, see a bad porridge, you know. I'm still gonna stir. Guys, I cannot drink straight cornmeal porridge, and I'm making this porridge for a few people and they don't like straight cornmeal porridge. I have to say, yes, I have to add something else with it, you know. Let them do the transition to become a vegan. So yeah, help them out, right? So yes guys, we're gonna keep on stir and stir, make sure everything is incorporated because you know, as I said, no clump. All right, you don't want no clumpy porridge. Now you see it start get thick guys. This is when you're gonna add the coconut milk in, you see. Right, and there's no clump in there because I have to keep stir. So I'm gonna add a cup of coconut milk. And you're gonna keep stir. Make sure everything is smooth. Yes, because you want it to smooth, right? You know, as I said, no clump. You know, look nice. That not thank you to have clump and lumps in the porridge. No, you want a smooth porridge. So all right then guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna keep stirring, right? So guys, this is how you want the porridge to look. Yes, so it's smooth. Yes, this is how you want it to look. Nice and smooth, no clump. Yeah, so we're just gonna pop the lid on and we're gonna let that cook, right? We're gonna let that cook for like 20 minutes and then yes, so let's just pop the lid on and let it stay there and cook. So now guys, I'm gonna add some nutmeg. I'm gonna add some nutmeg, pinch of nutmeg. I already added some salt and I'm gonna sweeten my porridge now. This is a lot of porridge, but yes, for a lot of people. You can see guys, no clumps, nice and smooth. So yeah, we're gonna sweeten. Now you know already, I'm gonna use Nature's Charm condensed milk. So I'm using Nature's Charm, guys, to sweeten my porridge. So yeah, we're gonna add it in there and sweeten it. Smells so good. So nice. So guys, here you got it. Nice Jamaican cornmeal and green banana porridge with water crackers, tough crackers. What a best way to start your morning, right? Yes, man. Can't go wrong with a nice bowl of porridge. Porridge is a must. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. No go and big up on yourself, guys. Thanks to all of my subscribers. Them, me appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Guys, don't just go and big up on yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.